Welcome to our Facebook Pay Setup Guide. With Facebook Pay, you can make payments securely within the Facebook ecosystem. Begin. Step 1. Access Facebook settings. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines, menu, in the lower right corner. Scroll down and select Settings Privacy. Step 2. Navigate to Facebook Pay. Click Install. Search for advertising payments or a similar option. This option may vary depending on your location. Step 3. Add payment method. Click Add payment method. Choose your preferred method, credit/debit card, PayPal, etc. Enter the necessary details. Install a security system. Enable additional security features like PIN or biometric authentication. This ensures your transactions are protected. Review and confirm. Verify payment method details. Confirm your settings. Follow Facebook's instructions and you'll have a safe, secure way to pay with Facebook. Thanks for watching.